Hey there, PayPal users! Ever wondered if you can use PayPal to pay for your Uber Eats orders in South Africa? Well, the answer is yes, and today I'm going to show you how to set it up. First, grab your phone and open the Uber Eats app. If you don't have the app yet, go ahead and download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you're in, tap on the account icon at the bottom right of the screen. In the account section, you'll see an option called Wallet. Tap on Wallet to open your payment methods. Now look for the button that says Add Payment. Tap that. You'll see a list of different payment options. Scroll down and choose PayPal. If you're not already logged into PayPal on your phone, it'll ask you to sign in. Enter your PayPal email and password, then tap Login. Once you're logged in, PayPal will ask for permission to connect with Uber Eats. Just tap Agree and Connect, and that's it. You've successfully added PayPal as a payment method for your Uber Eats orders. Next time you're craving a burger, a sushi roll, or anything else, just go to your Uber Eats app, place your order, and choose PayPal at checkout. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy eating! Thanks for watching.